Let's talk about Asia Broadband. So this company is launching its own crypto exchange and have already launched their own crypto token. But that is only part of the story. Asia Broadband trade on the OTC under the ticker AABB, and I'm going to explain what sets this company apart from the rest and why this has the potential to be game changing. So today we'll be looking at who are AABB, what they do and why it differentiates them from others. We will look at the most important developments. We'll take a brief look at the most recent financial statements, and finally we'll look at the charts and I'll give you my conclusion on this company. Before we get into the video, it takes a lot of time to do this research and bring you these videos as quickly as possible. So if you find any value in this video, can I ask you to smash that like button? It helps me out so much and it costs you nothing. If you want to hear more about AABB and get update videos whenever they release news, then liking this video shows me that you want to see more videos. I'm aiming to get 200 likes on this video. Help me achieve this goal. Subscribe to the channel if you're new and hit the bell notification so you don't miss out on any new content like this. And if you want free money, consider opening a Webull trading account using my referral link. Deposit just $5 and get 2 shares worth up to $2,000. What do you think of AABB? Have you invested? When did you hear about this company? Drop a comment down below. I want to point out that I'm not a financial advisor and this is not financial advice. Now let's get into it. Asia Broadband is a resource company focused on the production, supply and sale of precious metals and base metals, primarily to Asian markets. The company utilizes its specific geographic expertise, experience and extensive industry contacts to facilitate its innovative distribution process from the production and supply of precious and base metals in Mexico to client sales networks in Asia. Now don't let the company's introduction fool you. This is far more than a metals company. The base metal in question is mainly gold, and AABB are doing something unique with this gold. The company has recently released its freshly minted mine-to-token gold-backed cryptocurrency, the AABB Gold Token or AABBG, and is currently developing its own proprietary digital exchange. AABB expects its token to become the worldwide standard of exchange that is stable, secured and trusted with gold backing, while having the added benefit of demand-based price appreciation. These are unique qualities relative to other crypto tokens. The unique strength of Asia Broadband that differentiates the company from competitors and generates distinctive value for shareholders is the vertical integration approach to sales transactions. With the launch of AABB Gold, the launch of the AABB Wallet, Asia Broadband expects to become a world leader in providing a standard of exchange that is of excellent quality, secure, transparent, trusted and backed by gold. Late last year, the company completed the sale of its mining operation in the Guerrero Gold Belt, Mexico for $82 million, which consisted of $52 million in cash and $30 million in gold bullion. And the company has used these resources to fund the launch of the new cryptocurrency token. This move has also left the company completely debt-free and a very strong balance sheet consisting of over $100 million in assets. The market cap of this company is only about $200 million right now. According to Asia Broadband, the AABB Gold Token is backed 100% by physical gold held at the company in several high-security private locations in Mexico. The company will continue to back the token 100% by additional physical gold acquired from future mining production and gold purchased from cash reserves or credit. The gold token was launched in March, backed by $30 million in physical gold the company currently holds, and the token price is also tied to and supported by the company at the market price of gold at a minimum. The revenue model of AABB Gold Token will be driven by 2 streams: transaction fees and demand-driven price appreciation. The primary goal for the token is to become a worldwide standard of exchange that is secured and trusted with gold backing by progressively expanding token circulation targeting large population and high growth markets globally, including China and East Asia. The company's advanced collaboration with CHSC continues to plan the rollout of an international marketing campaign for the AABB Gold Token, the wallet and development of the corporate brand. The marketing efforts are aimed at brand exposure and reputation, increase the use of the gold token and the wallet, and amplify general public and investment community awareness of the company. So I've just come across this article written this week at nasdaq.com. The crypto market needs to lean back on gold to fight extreme volatility, and this makes some very interesting points to a likely scenario for cryptocurrency. With blockchain tech being applied by several industries, adopting crypto is imperative for purposes not limited to mere trading. This enables the realization of gold-backed cryptocurrencies. Many people who say that fiat currency is dead, and also those who say that cryptocurrency will never take over as the primary worldwide money, seem to forget that the world's first paper money currencies were backed by gold for a substantial period. This was known as the gold standard. This was the development from the direct use of gold as a means of payment to banknotes representing a claim to gold. This was revolutionary at the time, and we can see echoes here of what AABB are doing now. So, is gold the answer to extreme volatility of the crypto market? With fiat currencies fighting inflation, gold-backed crypto can be the new medium of exchange for institutions. Backed by gold, these assets enjoy liquidity and universal acceptance, and they can further reap the benefits of security and transparency thanks to blockchain technology. With AABB having developed the gold token, which is backed by gold derived from the mining operations, gold is a tested commodity to hold its value even during recessions and economic failures. Couple this with crypto, the world receives an asset that is the marriage of stability and accessibility. Currently, several factors are fueling the growth of gold's value. Inflation anxiety has worried a lot of investors, and a weak dollar is a direct indicator of the growing value of gold. One concern of investing in gold in its physical form is the absence of sustainable storage practices and/or the cost of its maintenance. This concern is being solved with the crypto integration, as the participant holds a token rather than the physical gold. So investing in gold-backed crypto is a great starting point for investors to grow their money. With gold, crypto investors find a fundamentally strong asset and mitigate extreme volatility. And leveraging the gold's bull run, investors amass wealth while the crypto market matures. So the advent of gold reflects the collaboration in which the future lies. However, the coexistence of the inflation-sensitive duo of cryptocurrencies and gold is paving the way to a brighter future. And their coexistence shall brew the future of the crypto market built on the premises of reliability and convenience. I highly recommend anyone to read this article. I'll put a link in the description. As well as having their own gold-backed token, AABB are also developing their own crypto exchange. Subsequent to the March launch of the company's gold-backed token, created with developer CSHC, AABB's own cryptocurrency exchange has been under development. The exchange will allow the wallet users to complete quick two-way exchanges of their gold tokens for major cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. The exchange completion timeline is estimated to be on path for testing in August, with the live exchange launch expected in September. So with today being the 14th of August, I fully expect to hear some news on this in the coming days. This will provide a huge catalyst for AABB going forward. And they have got big plans. The continued development collaboration between the company and CHSC will facilitate the creation of the next level modular digital assets exchange. It will be capable of implementing various models for brokers, the issuance of crypto secured loans, credit cards, gift cards, and to connect retail chains. As well as all of this, Asia Broadband is continuing its due diligence on several high potential property acquisitions in Mexico at Los Reyes and Acaponeta Banaza. The company expects to have the necessary assessment information on both properties by September and will make the acquisition decisions at that time. AABB's other mining project at Colima, Mexico is currently awaiting special permitting, and they are in the process of opening a new central operations office in Mexico City in the coming months, and a new mining operation storage processing facility building also in Mexico is now open to serve as a central warehouse hub for AABB. All of these will be providing huge catalysts over the coming weeks and months. And remember, this stock is well below its 52-week high of 66 cents. So I expect to see this push high over the next few months. If you follow the channel, you will know that I like to cover the company's financial statements when assessing an investment opportunity. However, with this company, the most recent financials on record are for the quarter ended March 31st. I fully expect that the company will be issuing the latest quarterly report in the coming days, so I won't go into the finances in detail here. I'll cover this in more detail in my next video. So if you haven't already, hit that like and subscribe button so you don't miss out on the update videos when they come. But taking a very quick look at just the balance sheet, we can see that the company has total assets of over $100 million, which is made up primarily of $70 million in cash and $30 million in gold bullion. This is compared to just $950,000 in liabilities, meaning that AABB have an asset to liability ratio of greater than 100 to 1, which is absolutely phenomenal for an OTC stock and provides them with all the cash that they could possibly need to fund their operations into the foreseeable future. Looking at the charts, we can see that Asia Broadband is up over 1,000% year to date. Incredibly, in February, this stock went from less than 3 cents up to over 60 cents in a matter of days. However, from March until June, this stock was in a gradual decline. Although the stock has been moving sideways for the past 2 months, I feel that they're getting ready for another big bull run very soon. On the 6th of August, as we can see here, the stock had a massive spike up and continued to gain rapid momentum up until the 10th of August, gaining from 10 cents up to over 15 cents. Again, without any major catalyst or any substantial PR, this had a very sharp decline, and it has been moving between 12 and 13 cents for the past few days. I fully expect that on the release of any news that this stock will rise rapidly, and we already know that we can expect massive press releases in the coming weeks. So guys, that brings us to the end of the video. Before I give you my final thoughts on AABB, if you've watched all the way through, then hit that like button. It really helps the channel out a lot. And if you don't have a Webull account, you can sign up using my referral link, and for a limited time you will get 2 free stocks worth up to $2,000 when you deposit only $5. If you're new to the channel, remember to hit that subscribe button and bell notification, follow me on Twitter and join the new Facebook group. All links below. So what do I think? This is a stock that I've been watching since February. At the time, this caught my attention thanks to a huge run up to over 60 cents. But with so many stocks being hiked up at that time, it was hard to tell if this was all hype or if this company was for real. But I think there's huge potential at AABB. What they are doing, having their token linked to gold, is game changing. This has echoes of the first paper-based money at the turn of the 19th century being linked to gold. Imagine a world where currencies are gone, where the only form of payment would be crypto. Would that work? In its current form, no way, it's too volatile. Imagine getting paid from your employer in Bitcoin, and then someone like Elon Musk tweets something and suddenly your salary takes a huge hit because Bitcoin takes a sudden drop. What Asia Broadband are doing is something that could potentially work and help crypto to become much more mainstream. Importantly, from an investment point of view, there is something here for both the long-term and short-term investors. With so many upcoming catalysts in the weeks ahead, I fully expect this to start to rise and continue up for the foreseeable future. But this is just my opinion. If anyone is thinking about buying this stock, I encourage you to do your own research and not just take the opinion of a guy on YouTube. As I said before, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. Thanks for watching the video. What are your thoughts on the future of Asia Broadband and how high do you think this will go? Leave a comment down below and I'll catch you in the next update.